Hi guys, Captain Nick Pavlakis here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg once again, showing you another beautiful vessel. Today we have a new model from Boston Whaler, the all-new 325 Conquest. This replaced the 315 Conquest. You're going to notice a few differences right off the bat. The one big thing that's a big hit on a 325, we've got a dive door. I know that was a big thing for a lot of people, and they did it, they listened, and here we are. We got a all redesigned boat from the keel up, and it's going to be a big hit. Let's hop on board and have some fun. Back here we are optioned out with twin 350 Mercury Verados. These are the supercharged inline 6-cylinder engines. You have the options on this boat for the most part of going with the 300 naturally aspirated V8s, the 350 supercharged engines, and of course the 400s too. This one right in the middle, just right, 700 horsepower, ready to rock and roll. Whenever you bring up the Boston Whaler Conquest series, the number one word that comes to my mind is versatility. Why, you may ask? Because you can fish, you can play, you can sleep, you can do a little bit of it all on one platform. As you make our way into the cockpit here, you see that there's a massive amount of square footage for when you're fishing. You've got a whole dance floor back here. And of course, when you do have family on the boat, Whaler does a phenomenal job with their seats that will fold down too. In the deck, we have a couple in-deck fish boxes, and of course, if you're going to be catching those fish, you're going to need your live well back here as well. As we make our way forward, up top, I'm going to point out the Aft Retractable Awning. Keep that sun off you in Florida, very important. Here you're going to notice a few changes too. The seating is a little bit different than a 315. These are all going to go forward and backwards. Got your sink there, your Dometic refrigerator right there, which is one of two. And we'll get to the second one in a minute, but let's get to my favorite part of the boat right here, and that's the Helm Station, of course. Optioned out with joystick, digital throttle shift, and a massive 16-inch Raymarine screen right here as well. Down below we have our well-appointed head over here to the starboard side. And then down here you have your bunk where you can kind of get out of the elements, and of course if you have kids, grandkids, another couple, or yourself up here, this is going to transform to a bed and a V-berth as well. So, is the 325 Conquest the perfect boat? Is it finally the true do-all that solves every problem in the boating world? I'd say so, but come find out for yourself. I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is a Boston Whaler 325 Conquest, all new model, and I would love nothing more than to show you and your family one of these for the holiday season. Bye guys.